Chapter 7 Acids, Bases and Salts. An acid is a compound that releases hydrogen ions in an aqueous medium. For an example, hydrochloric acid ionizes or dissociates in water to release hydrogen ion and chloride ions. Based on the strength of releasing hydrogen ions in the aqueous medium, acids are classified as strong acids and weak acids. Most of the acids in laboratory stores are concentrated acids. Acids of low concentration are known as dilute acids. Dilute acids with the required concentration can be prepared by mixing concentrated acid with water. The acids that release hydrogen ions by complete ionization in aqueous medium are known as strong acids, which means all the acid molecules dissociate into hydrogen ions and the corresponding negative ions in water. For an example, if you take hydrochloric acid, the aqueous solution would have only hydrogen ions and chloride ions, but no free hydrochloric molecules. The negative ion in sulfuric acid is sulfate ion. The negative ion in nitric acid is nitrate ions. The acids which release hydrogen ions in aqueous medium by incomplete or partial ionization are known as weak acids. This means that in aqueous medium, only a fraction of such acid molecules dissociate into hydrogen ions and relevant negative ions. Unionized acid molecules will remain as molecules themselves in aqueous solution. These are some examples of weak acids. And if you take carbonic acid, some of the molecules of carbonic acids have dissociated into hydrogen ions and the relevant negative ion, which is bicarbonate ion, while some carbonic acid molecules remain as they are without dissociation. Properties of acids. They have a characteristic sour taste. They are corrosive, which means when they come into contact with substances like wood, metals, or cloth, they corrode them, and if spilled on the skin, they cause severe burns. Now, this is a warning symbol that is found in the acid bottles in the laboratory. Dilute acids react with metals above hydrogen in the reactivity series, forming the salt of the metal and hydrogen gas. Magnesium will react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. This is a single displacement reaction. Carbon dioxide can be produced by reacting acids with carbonates or bicarbonates. An example, calcium carbonate can be reacted with hydrochloric acid to produce calcium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Acids react with bases to form salts and water. Sulfuric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form the salt sodium sulfate and water. The sodium ion of the sulfate ion of sulfuric acid and sodium ion of sodium hydroxide will combine together to form sodium sulfate salt. Acids turn the color of blue litmus paper to red. Litmus papers come in two colors, blue and red. And when you dip a blue litmus paper in an acid, it will turn red. This is a simple test done in the laboratory to identify acids and bases. Uses of some acids. Hydrochloric acids is used in the removal of rust in steel objects, and it is also used in making a important mixture known as aqua regia. This is made by mixing with nitric acid. Aqua regia is used to dissolve metals like gold and platinum. And sulfuric acid is used in the production of fertilizers such as ammonium sulfate and triple superphosphate. And it is also used in making battery acids and in the production of many compounds such as paints, plastics, and detergents. Acetic acid is a weak acid It is found in vinegar and it is also used in coagulation of rubber latex. These are some sources of acids found in our day-to-day life. A chemical compound that increases the hydroxide ion concentration of an aqueous solution is known as a base. This means the base will ionize to release hydroxide ions. For an example, a common base such as sodium hydroxide release hydroxide ions and sodium ions, thereby increasing the concentration of hydroxide ions in the solution. The bases that completely ionize in aqueous solution are known as strong bases. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxides are examples of strong bases. Many bases are solids, therefore aqueous solutions can be prepared by dissolving bases in water. Bases which partially ionize in aqueous solutions are known as weak bases. Ammonia solution or ammonium hydroxide is an example of weak base. Properties of bases. It has a slimy texture. Bases react with acid to give salts and water. Bases will turn red litmus paper blue. Bases that readily dissolve in water are known as alkalis. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and ammonium solution are alkalis. Uses of some bases. Sodium hydroxide is used in the production of soap, paper, artificial silk, and paints. And then magnesium hydroxide, a suspension of magnesium hydroxide is known as milk of magnesia, and this is a weak base and it is used as an antacid. Antacid is a medication that is given to relieve gastritis or acidity in stomach. Identification of acids and bases by indicators. Indicators are substances whose solution change color due to change in pH value. Acid-base indicators help to identify a substance as acids or a base approximately, but it is not a very accurate method as the strength of an acid or a base cannot be identified. As we have already discussed, litmus can be used as an indicator, and then there's a compound known as phenolphthalein. When you add few drops of phenolphthalein into an acidic solution, the color will remain colorless, and when you add a few drops into a basic solution, the color of the solution will turn pink. Methyl orange turns red in acidic solution, and when you add a few drops in a basic solution, it will turn yellow. Copy down the table 7.1 and complete it. The pH scale is used to indicate how acidic or basic a given solution is. The scale consists of a series of numbers from 0 to 14. Each number corresponds to a color. pH value of neutral substances such as pure water is 7. pH value of acidic solutions are less than 7. pH value of basic solutions are greater than 7. Acidity increases from 6 to 0 while basicity increases from 8 to 14. Thereby, the most acidic solution will have a pH value of 0 and the most basic solution will have a pH value of 14. pH papers are available in the form of books or rolls, just like litmus paper. They have been prepared by mixing several indicators. The pH value can be found by dipping the paper in the relevant solution and comparing the color of the paper with the color code. We can identify solutions as acids, bases, and salts, and also we can get an idea about the strength of the acid and the base. This is the major difference between pH papers and litmus papers. Litmus papers can only be used to identify a solution as an acid or a base, but it cannot be used to determine the strength of the acid and the base. Salts. Givenny solutions and saline solutions are mixtures of salts. Acids reacts with bases to form salts. The sodium ion of sodium hydroxide combines with the chloride ion of hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride. Properties of salts. They are crystalline solid compounds. Most of the salts dissolve in water. Generally, salts have a high melting point and a high boiling point. Depending on the strength of the acid or the base reacting, the salt will show acidic, basic, or neutral properties. For an example, the salts formed by the reaction between a strong acid and a strong base will show neutral properties. Sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form the salt sodium chloride. Therefore, sodium chloride is a neutral salt. Uses of some salts. Sodium chloride is used to flavor food. It is used as a preservative, and it is also used to produce the important chemicals such as chlorine and hydrochloric acid. And we learned in electrochemistry, by electrolyzing an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, we can obtain sodium hydroxide. And it is also used to produce sodium carbonate by the process of Solvay. And then it is used to make soap. Copper sulfate is used as a fungicide in agriculture. It is used in making chemical reagents such as Benedict solution and Fehling solution. And copper sulfate is used as an electrolyte in the process of electroplating. Antacid tablets are used as medication to relieve discomfort caused by the acidity in the stomach. The reason for this is the process of neutralization. Neutralization is the combination of hydrogen ions released by an acid with hydroxide ions released by a base to form water molecules. And this reaction can be depicted this way. When acids react with a base, their acidic properties as well as their basic properties will disappear. Applications of the acid-base neutralization reactions. Milk of magnesia, which is a weak base, or an antacid, is used to neutralize the acidity in the stomach. Basic substances such as ash and quicklime, which is calcium oxide, are added to soil to reduce soil acidity. Bee sting is painful because of an acidic poisonous substance injected into the skin. By applying a weak basic substance such as baking soda or sodium bicarbonate or calcium carbonate on the place of the sting, the pain is relieved. Wasp sting is basic. Application of a weak dilute acid such as lime juice or vinegar on the place of sting reduces the venomous nature as well as the pain.